Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Ms. Shagufta Ibrahim is here with your social studies topic. As all of you know, okay, we are going to begin our final terms from today, and the first chapter is climatic regions of the world. And our first topic is introduction to climatic regions of the world. We will discuss about the location of these regions between the latitudes through the map. First, we will do what is a climate. A climate is determined by the long-term pattern of temperature and precipitation at the locations. In the midterm session, we have also done the definitions of climate and weather and climate. Weather is the atmospheric condition for a short time. It be changed hour to hour, day to day, or week to week. For example, if there is a strong sunshine in the morning, it may be cloudy or rainy in the afternoon. So weather changes hour to hour or day to day. It's a atmospheric condition for a very short time. But what about the climate? It is the weather, atmospheric weather for a very long time, for about 30 years. So atmospheric weather condition prevailing over an area for a long time, about 30 years, is known as climate of that region. So what are the climatic region? Region refers to a continuous geographic area in which similar climate characteristics are observed. So it is the geographical area where similar or the same characteristics of a climate are observed. So the world is divided into the regions according to their climate they experience. Climatic regions of the world. This is the world map through which we will go through the location of climatic zones between the latitudes. Okay, how the regions are located between the latitudes and what are the effects of these latitudes on the climate of these regions. As all of you are well aware of the imaginary lines, and all of you also know the horizontal lines of which are known as latitudes. Look at here, all the horizontal lines are shown. These are the lines of latitudes, and the main or the central line of latitude is known as equator, which is lying at 0 degree. Now, through the equator, we will go through the tropical zone first. So, as you know, from the portion or the region from equator to the North Pole, this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. So, the region from the equator to the North Pole is known as Northern Hemisphere, and the region from the equator to the South Pole is known as Southern Hemisphere. Now the location of tropical zone in these two hemispheres. Tropical zone lies between 0 degree north to 30 degree north in northern hemisphere. 0 degree to 30 degree north in northern hemisphere and 0 degree to 30 degrees south in southern hemisphere around this equator. So what is the location of tropical zone? Tropical zone or the tropical climatic region is located 30 degree north to 30 degrees south around the equator. 30 degree north to 30 degrees south around this equator. This is the location of tropical zone between the latitudes. Now, if we see the temperate zone, it is located between the North Pole and the tropical zone between 30 degree north to 60 degree north in northern hemisphere and 30 degrees south to 60 degrees south in southern hemisphere. This is the location of temperate zone in southern and northern hemisphere. Now we will come to the polar regions. In northern hemisphere, polar region is located between 60 degree north to 90 degree north in northern hemisphere and 60 degrees south to 90 degree south in southern hemisphere. So these are the locations of these climatic regions between the lines of latitudes, and these colors, with each color but the yellow color shows you the arid or hot desert climatic regions. So located in between the temperate zone and also in the tropical zones. These are located in temperate and tropical zones also. So these are all the desert or climatic regions. This is the location of climatic regions between the latitudes. There is a link for you. Watch this video. It will be more helpful in understanding the topic more. Tasks to do, this is your copy work. What you have to do before doing these questions in your copy: first make the title of final term, then write down the index, and after making the index columns you will make the title of the chapter climatic regions of the world, then write down these questions. List the 4 climatic zones of the world, in which you will write only the names of the climatic zones of the world. Write down only the names of these zones. And next, draw and label the climatic regions of the world in your copy. With the help of this diagram, you can draw this in your copy also, and use these colors which are written in the regions. Frigid zone is also known as the polar zone. Temperate zone, you can color this zone with blue. Temperate zone with green color. Torrid zone with green color. Now this that's all for today's session. We will meet inshallah in next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.